Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this one we're discussing how to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone for free. So to pull this off for free, we have to use Apple's official Move to iOS app. So it's going to be this app right over here. So guys, there are a few strict rules you need to follow first. Plug both phones into a power source, connect them to the exact same Wi-Fi network, and also ensure that your iPhone is either brand new or completely factory reset back to its initial hello setup screen. Then grab your Android, open the Google Play Store and install this app. Start the setup process on your iPhone. Proceed through the screens until you hit the Apps and Data dashboard layout, and then tap Move Data from Android. A unique 6 or 10-digit security code will pop up on your screen on Android. Hit Continue, accept the terms, and type the exact code into the prompt box to instantly lock the two phones into a private, secure, local wireless network loop. And then once the handshake is complete, a list of data transfer options will appear on your Android screen. Scroll down and make sure that you check the box next to WhatsApp. And that is it. If you enjoy our videos, guys, don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.